Using a daily simple moving average on your lower time frame charts can definitely help you find a handful of entries on a week by week basis. In this particular example, what we're looking at here is a daily 5 SMA on my 5 minute and my 15-minute time frames. These are the two time frames that I use for my intraday scalping when I'm day trading NASDAQ futures. Now, you're not going to get these setups each and every single day, but when you do get these setups, you want to be aware of them and you want to be able to trade them. Here's how I personally trade them. So what I'm looking for here is, obviously, if we are trading below a daily moving average, it's going to act as an area of resistance because it's above us. It's a level of supply. It's a level of resistance until it's reclaimed. So what I like to see is on my 5 minute time frame, I like to see a break. Okay, I want to see that pivot. We'll call the daily 5 SMA the pivot. I want to see that pivot get broken, and I want to see a new high be put in. Okay, as soon as I see that that pivot is broken and there is now a new high, all I am waiting for is a following candle to confirm that new high, and that's where I'm taking my entry. My stop loss will always go right below that candle that breaks the pivot. Okay, so this is my max pain here. Adjust the number of contracts you're trading depending on the amount of points that you're giving up in this one candle. Okay, so wait for the pivot to be broken, wait for that new high to get set in, your stop loss automatically goes there. This is a very mechanical style setup, and then when you get that following candle to confirm the pivot break high, that's when you're scalping it. I like to keep my scalps between 10 to 20 points on the NASDAQ 100. Just adjust the number of contracts based on how much you're looking to actually make per trade. Obviously, this is scalable. You can get into trading 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mini contracts. Just to understand, the higher number of contracts you're trading, the bigger the loss is going to be. And again, any trading strategy, any specific setup or pattern is not 100%. You will lose trades, so you want to make sure the risk management factor is on point in making sure that you guys are managing that risk. But these are great setups that you can wait for. Maybe you're not a scalper or a day trader who wants to be throwing around 50 trades a day and looking for 100 different setups. Playing something like daily moving averages on your smaller time frames and waiting for them to break and confirm, waiting for them to get retested, hold, and looking for bounces or rejections off those areas are great setups that you can take on a week by week basis. Now, again, you're not going to get these setups each and every single day, okay? Because not every day we're trading close to the 5, 10, 20-day moving averages on the daily time frame. But those days where you see, because you're running daily moving averages on your chart. Now, again, this is just a daily 5 SMA here. Again, if I just edit the study so you guys can see, edit study daily, simple moving average, it's a length in time is 5 days. That's all I'm looking at here, okay? So I like to run the 5, 10, 20, and 50 and 200 on my charts. At any period of time throughout the trading week, we will come encounter with these areas, and they're great spots to take trades. So if you guys are looking for areas where you can sit back and kind of wait for trades to develop, these are going to be great things for you guys to add. Also, by the way, guys, Apex is 90% off again for Memorial Day. For the Memorial Day sale, you can use code DAnthony. Make sure you guys are locking up those accounts at 90% off using code DAnthony. Also, guys, the Discord, join the Discord. It's free to join the Discord. There's a lot of educational content that is not on YouTube there, and it's where I do a lot of my day-to-day technical analysis with the group and the team. I also offer live trading option there as well. If you guys want to check it out, that link is down in the description box below. I'll see all of you guys on the inside that join Evolution Traders. I'll see the rest of you guys here on YouTube, and to everyone else, have a safe continued day off today, and I'll catch you guys in the markets tomorrow.